Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Emery, and I'm gonna be doing a Nerf war with my dogs.
No.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna shoot the walls then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry, this is taking long. Okay.
Emery,
What? I know.
You're not
I'm
gonna
not
shoot
shooting
the
the
dogs.
dogs.
huh?
I'm not shooting the dogs.
It'll make them afraid of you, and they won't come to you. So just keep that in mind.
Okay. Almost done. Almost done with my main gun. Sorry guys that this is taking long. I'm going to turn this off. No, it's less than this. The bullets are on my tablet. I think this is taking too long to get all my guns. Oops. Let's go.
go pick up every single one of those bullets. You hear me?
Yes.
If they eat them, you're gonna be in trouble. I'm going outside.
I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I don't know what my mom was doing to me. I had no idea what she was doing. But bye.